Hey everyone, let's talk about sleep or, well, the lack thereof. We've all been there, right? Staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., tossing and turning like we're in a washing machine. Yeah, those nights are the worst. And then the alarm goes off. Way too early, as usual. You're exhausted, grumpy, and basically resemble a zombie. We try everything, don't we? Counting sheep, warm milk, those meditation apps that promise the moon and the stars. But what if I told you there's a simple, fun way to actually sleep better? Keep watching, friends. It's meditation time. Okay, before we dive into the meditation magic, let's talk about why sleep is so important. You might think of sleep as just a way to pass the time until the next day, but it's so much more than that. And no, it's not just about looking fabulous in the morning, though that's a bonus, right? When you get a good night's sleep, you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. Think of sleep like charging your phone. Just as your phone needs to be plugged in to recharge its battery, your body and mind need sleep to recharge and function at their best. Your phone needs juice to function, and so do you. Without enough sleep, you might feel sluggish, irritable, and unable to concentrate. Sleep recharges your brain and body. It helps repair muscles, consolidate memories, and regulate hormones. It's like a nightly tune-up for your entire system. It helps you think clearly, make good decisions, like what to wear or what to eat, decisions. When you're well rested, you're more likely to make healthier choices and be more productive. And have energy for all the fun stuff in life. Whether it's playing sports, going for a hike, or just enjoying a picnic in the park, sleep gives you the energy to do the things you love. Plus, when you're well rested, you're less likely to get sick, stress out, or accidentally wear mismatched socks. A good night's sleep boosts your immune system and helps you manage stress better. Trust me, those are all wins in my book. Feeling good, staying healthy, and looking sharp. What's not to love? So are you ready to unlock the power of sleep? Let's do this. Make sleep a priority and watch how it transforms your life. Sweet dreams. Now I know what you're thinking. Meditation? Isn't that for like monks in robes chanting on mountaintops? You might picture serene, isolated places where only the most dedicated individuals practice it. Well, guess what? Meditation is for everyone. It's not just an ancient practice reserved for the spiritually elite. People from all walks of life are discovering its benefits. It's not about emptying your mind completely because, let's be honest, our minds are busier than a beehive in springtime. We live in a world that's constantly on the go, with endless to-do lists and never-ending notifications. It's about finding a little peace and quiet amidst the chaos. Imagine carving out a few moments in your day to just breathe and be present. Meditation is like hitting the pause button on your thoughts. It's a way to step back and observe your mind without getting caught up in the whirlwind. It's a chance to relax, de-stress, and basically give your brain a well-deserved break. Think of it as a mini vacation for your mind, a moment to recharge and reset. And the best part? It can help you sleep like a baby sloth. Those guys know how to catch some Z's. Imagine drifting off to sleep with ease, waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. So whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, meditation can be your secret weapon for a more balanced, peaceful life. Ready to learn some super easy meditation techniques? Let's start with a simple breathing exercise to help settle your mind. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. If you're already in bed, you can do this lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, expanding your belly. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. As you breathe in, mentally count to 4. As you exhale, count to 6. Repeat this process for 5 minutes, allowing your breath to become slower and more relaxed with each cycle. Focusing on your breath can slow your heart rate and reduce anxiety, helping you transition into a state of calm. Visualization, your ticket to dreamland, without the awkward dates. Next up, we have visualization. This one's fun. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene that makes you feel safe and relaxed. A beach at sunset, a cozy cabin in the woods, floating on calm water. As you breathe, immerse yourself in this scene. Visualize the colors, sounds, and sensations as vividly as possible. Focus on the feeling of tranquility and comfort that this visualization brings you. Let your mind fully rest in this peaceful place. This practice can help push away the worries of the day and encourage your mind to settle into sleep. Mindfulness, because your thoughts can wait until morning. Last but not least, let's talk about mindfulness. This one's all about being present in the moment. No dwelling on yesterday's drama or tomorrow's to-do list. Pay attention to your senses. Feel the weight of your body on the bed, the coolness of your pillow, the gentle rise and fall of your breath. It's like hitting the mute button on your thoughts and simply observing without judgment. Trust me, your thoughts can wait until morning. They'll still be there, don't worry. My own meditation mishaps. Spoiler, it gets easier. Now, I'll be honest, meditation wasn't always a walk in the park for me. In fact, it was quite the opposite. I struggled a lot in the beginning. There were times when my mind felt like a popcorn machine, with thoughts popping up left and right. It was almost comical how easily distracted I could get. I remember once trying to meditate before a big show, and all I could think about was whether my jokes would land, or if I'd trip on my way to the stage. My mind was racing with all sorts of scenarios. Not exactly the picture of serenity. It was frustrating, to say the least. I felt like I was failing at something that was supposed to be simple and calming. But here's the thing, meditation is a practice. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up and trying day after day. It takes time, patience, and a good sense of humor. You have to be willing to laugh at yourself and your wandering mind. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Slowly but surely, you start to notice the changes. Your mind becomes a little quieter, your focus a bit sharper, and trust me, the benefits are worth it. You start to feel more at peace, more in control of your thoughts and emotions. It's a journey, but one that's incredibly rewarding. So if you're struggling with meditation, don't give up. Keep at it, and remember that it's okay to have off days. Every moment you spend meditating is a step towards a calmer, more centered you. Explore different techniques, find what works best for you, and embrace the journey. Meditation is a personal experience, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep moving forward. It truly does get easier, and the rewards are beyond worth it. Sweet dreams are made of this. Hint, it involves meditation. So what are these amazing benefits I keep raving about? Well, besides better sleep, which is already a game changer, meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, boost your mood, and even make you a more patient person, which, let's face it, we could all use a little bit of. It's like giving your brain a spa day, but without the cucumber water and face masks. Though feel free to indulge in those too. Ready, set, meditate. Your sleep depends on it. Choose a calming phrase like, I am at peace, or my mind is calm, my body is relaxed. Repeat this phrase silently or aloud, letting the rhythm lull your mind into a restful state. It's simple, it's fun, and it can seriously upgrade your sleep game. No more counting sheep, no more tossing and turning, just sweet, restful sleep. Let go of thoughts like clouds drifting by, and gently return your focus to your breath. Your well-rested, energized, and all-around fabulous self will thank you. The body scan meditation is a great way to release physical tension. Here's how to do it. Starting at your toes, bring awareness to each part of your body. Visualize your toes and feet relaxing, letting go of any tension. Slowly work your way up to your ankles, calves, knees, thighs, and so on, paying attention to how each part feels. If you notice tension or discomfort, imagine it melting away as you breathe. Continue this process until you've scanned your entire body, ending at your head. By the time you finish the body scan, you should feel more grounded and deeply relaxed. Want to take your sleep to the next level? Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take a warm bath, read a book, not a thriller, we don't need those racing thoughts. Or listen to some calming music. And for goodness sake, put those phones away. The blue light from your phone is basically telling your brain to stay awake, and we don't want that. Sweet dreams, everyone.